What's up, guys? I'm back. It's been a while since I did some TA because I did mention to you guys in my last video that we were expecting Bitcoin to break out, come down for a retest, and then basically try to go for a higher high. If it's not able to go for higher and throw a lower high, we know we are coming down, right? We also are getting rejected by a key zone. Let me just show you guys the zone. So this is what I mean, guys, by the key zone. I told you guys in our last video that Bitcoin is trading within a channel, as you guys can see here. It is trading perfectly within the channel, getting rejected over here, getting rejected over here, finding a bounce over here, finding a bounce over here, right? And look at that, Bitcoin perfectly got rejected by the channel again. So we are basically looking for Bitcoin to come down to this level to maybe find support above here. As you can see, here's support, there's support, there's support. So Bitcoin can come down to this level, find a bounce over here, and maybe tackle this level again and potentially break out. We know we're going to be in a bullish mode, but that's yet to come. I still think there is a little bit more downside to come to test this level. If Bitcoin doesn't hold this level and falls down, we need Bitcoin to hold this level to obviously bounce again, right? So these are the crucial levels that we are looking for Bitcoin to break. It's either this one or this one. That will basically determine the overall direction of the market, as you guys can see. And we reaction traders, guys. So we trade reacting to the market. We don't just assume the price is going to go up, assume the price is going to go down, because there's going to be enough confluence to let us know what's about to happen. Bitcoin can come down to here, form some form of double bottom, and then go up. Once it breaks here, we know we enter our long trade over here, and that's where we confirm an uptrend for Bitcoin to come tackle this level again, right? If it comes down, forms like a double top or a descending triangle of some sort, and it breaks down from this descending triangle, we know we are going down to these levels over here. Do you get what I'm saying? So we react once we see what's happening in the charts. We don't just assume. So for now, Bitcoin's just in between the channel. The middle of the channel is the hardest to trade, and it is the time where most people get wrecked. So if you are able to just dollar cost average, this is the best time to dollar cost average into Bitcoin while the price is going down. That's when you dollar cost into Bitcoin and into altcoins. Obviously, altcoins are going to give you the better returns. So it's best to, well, in my opinion, this is what I do. I basically dollar cost average into altcoins because obviously the returns are going to be better. If you go over to the total 2 market, which is the total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin, so it's all the altcoins, as you guys can see over here, right? This chart got rejected at a key level. Let's just do this. It literally got rejected at a key level, right? And I told you guys, this was our last price chart that we did. I told you guys I'm going to leave this in here. I told you guys once we break this level, it's going to be extremely bullish for the altcoins. And look at this run up that we had. Look at this. If you had to jump into certain altcoins, the returns would have been, as you guys can see, it would have been good, right? So this was really bullish. And I mentioned to you guys, we need to retest this level, right? In order to basically confirm that we are holding above. So that's why I say, like, if we come down, retest this level, maybe form a double bottom or get a bounce, right? That's going to be bullish for the altcoins. So we can come tackle this level again and maybe try and break out of this level. So same with Bitcoin. This is the Bitcoin chart. Here's that same level. So Bitcoin comes down. That means altcoins will come down as well to come and tackle this level over here. This very crucial level here by about $1 trillion. That will confirm, if we can get a bounce here, it will confirm a bullish trend for altcoins. And then also, this is the best time to be scooping up altcoins. So I'll just draw a little green box. I'll leave it here for you guys. And alternatively, you guys know, if we break down from here, it is bearish, guys. So that's why we just need to keep an eye on it. Make this light green and make the little edges green as well. That's an accumulation zone for altcoins. And then spot buys for long-term holds perfect. You start buying up some more altcoins in this zone. And obviously with a breakdown, let me just show you guys what a breakdown would do. Here we go. Breakdown. We are going to see a retest of this level and we'll see lower prices. But dollar cost averaging for long term, it's always the best strategy. You don't lose because you're not going to sell. So you're just going to keep buying. Price goes down to these levels again. You're going to keep buying. So that's basically it. But for now, we are waiting for the confirmation. Once this price hits this trend line and we see the reaction that we're about to get. As you can see, once we broke this uptrend line, it was a sharp downtrend for the altcoins. That's what I'm seeing right now on the altcoin chart. If you guys want specific altcoins, I can look into those for you. Just drop it in the comments. I'm just going to go over to the NASDAQ 100. Guys, I mentioned this like literally days, weeks ago. This is the zone you want to be shorting the NASDAQ 100, right? Right at the top here, this is a rejection zone. Look at this. Got rejected, dropped. Got rejected, dropped. This is the perfect rejection zone for the NASDAQ because this is basically the Fibonacci zone, the golden zone on the larger time frame. So if we take our Fibonacci from the top to the bottom, look at that. It's literally this zone over here, right? And as you can see, this is the daily chart now. This is a really crucial zone. We haven't tested this line of support, and this is the test. If the NASDAQ is able to hold this line as support, I do think that the stock market will look bullish, guys. It would be bullish because this is a double bottom. It's a breakout. It's a retest, right? So we need to hold this. And then if it is able to hold this, we are going to be seeing higher prices in the coming weeks for the stock market, for the NASDAQ 100, the US 30, all of them. If we're not able to hold this zone over here, this little white box, we are going to break down, probably retest this zone again and come down further to this zone over here. Right, and this is the trade. Once we come back into here and not able to break above, you'll short this zone down to there. And alternatively, if we're able to hold this, there's going to be long trades to the upside that we will be catching. Guys, that was the shortest update I've given you, and I mean the charts are all telling you the same thing. All of them are literally telling you the same thing, right? So we just need to keep an eye on the charts. That's the stock market. I showed you guys Bitcoin and I showed you guys the altcoins as well. So if there's any altcoin you want me to check out, just drop it in the comments. I'll do some TA on it for you guys. Also, guys, like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it as we are trying to grow to our first 1,000 subscribers. Let's go. This is not financial advice. It's only my opinion and it's for educational purposes only.